You're doing?
You're gonna go.
What are you guys gonna do? Look at Randy. She's getting irritated. Have you considered maybe I have irritable bowel movements?
I do have it.
Okay.
I take medicine for it regularly. I can't have milky products.
Really? I love cream. I do. Confectioner's cream is the best. You can fucking make good whipped cream out of it. I put cardamom in it. It's fucking good. I have challah French toast.
Is that your girlfriend?
No.
Look at it.
What are you doing? Stop.
Taking a
stop,
picture of her.
stop.
She's your girlfriend. Holy
Can you
glass.
bring her tonight too?
Look at her glasses. Holy balls.
Can you bring her tonight too?
Are you fucking jerking her off?
I like it. It makes me relaxed.
Baba, go take a nap or get in the car and have a bigger Sunday fun day.
Let's go to the sex store.
Okay, let's go there.
Randy was talking about toys anyways. Sex
Yeah.
machines.
You're right.
There's a thing called the, what is that?
Have you seen the fuck shelf?
No, but have you, no, we should go on the sex tour. No, on Mission and 14th, the old
Good
armory.
vibrations?
No, it's the biggest, it's called kink.com. It's the biggest porn building in all of Northern California.
Let's go.
It's all like the Cyban, that's what it's called.
Get in the car.
It's a big rod that goes.
Yeah.
You guys, let's go do the zip line because it's not raining.
I'm gonna go watch baseball.